Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video, I will show you how to make stick figure animations in Canva using simple elements and motion effects. You can try right away. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me take one canvas. So go to the create and go to the video only, and here you can see the lots of size of canvas like Instagram and whatever. So I just take this normal landscape size. Okay, so here this is a video canvas, and here you can see the track. Okay, so here whatever you insert like image, audio and background, you can see here. Okay, the it's like the track. Okay, so if it is not visible to you, so just enable these pages, it will be visible to you. Now let's start with the process. First we need to go to the elements and search for the figure sticks. You can also search for particular figure stick like figure stick for mobiles, figure stick with car. Okay, whatever you want you can search for here. Okay, okay, so I just search for normal figure sticks. This is my figure sticks. I just maximize the size. This is my this is my figure stick. You can see it is show here. Now we need to insert the background. So for figure stick animation, for a figure stick animation we need the paper background. So it is suit for figure stick animation. So I just take this one, make the side as a background. So this is our figure stick elements. This is our background, and here you can add the audio. I just go to the audio. Here you can see you can record your own audio from here. So it is mic like you can add here, or you can generate the AI voiceover. Like you need to just copy paste script here and generate the voiceover, or you can also generate the voiceover from other AI tools. There's a lots of good AI tools in markets. You can research and generate the voiceover, or you can also record your own voice in your computer and upload your file from here. Go to the upload your audio file from your computer. After you upload, you can see your uploaded file here. You need to select it and drag into the audio file. Okay, for now I just record some sample audio. Okay, hello guys, this is a figure stick animation video. This is short tutorial and it is very tricky. So let's start with the video, and I hope it will be like you. So this is my audio. It is recording, you can see. So it is almost 14 seconds. I just finished it. Okay, after finish, you can see this audio track file here. You can minimize the size, like you can crop the voice, but you can't maximize the the actual audio size. Okay, you can shift that place. Okay, whatever you want. So this is my background. Okay, so first we need to increase the size of that element, or we can also increase the size of that background. Then you can enable to increase this audio file size. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have the 16-second audio file. You can change the place. Okay, so whatever you record on audio, or whatever you have contained in your audio file, so you need to insert the stick elements like stick figure, like which is related to this audio content. Okay, so if example you talk something about the computer with this part. Okay, after that part, then we need to insert the figure stick figure for laptop or computer, whatever. So we can insert that stick figure, and this is my stick figure I need to place here. Okay, so in this part I have talked about some computer knowledge or something like that, so you can insert this here. Okay, okay, so just play it. Hello guys, this is a figure stick animation video. This is short tutorial. You can see. Okay, so this is our background. We can manage the background like this. Okay, we have the 16-second audio, so we need to make 16-second stick figure elements here. Okay, so you can put whatever you want, whatever you talk in or your audio file. Okay, I just search for more figure stick. I just insert the random. Okay, like this. Okay, now you need to, after you done everything, you need to manage this background size and your audio file size and that elements file. Okay, so this is, now we have got that all elements, figure stick and the audio. Okay, you can minimize, maximize the size, or you can put maximum that stick elements as figure sticks. Okay, you can put whatever you, okay, how many you want you can put here. Okay, like this. Okay, so now let me, okay. Hello guys, this is a figure stick animation video. This is short tutorial and it is very okay. So let's start the video and I hope it will be like it. So okay, so now I'm going to show you some animation you can use, some animation trick or animation effects. So let me select that frame, that sleeping figure stick. Okay, now go to the animations, and here you can see the lots of animation effects you can give. Okay, on exit, on both, on enter, whatever, rotate. Okay, you can also increase, decrease the intensity. Okay, there is a rotate also, we can see. Okay, after that we have that animation in these figure sticks. Let me play some. You can see this figure stick has been animated. Okay, and this is another trick. If you want to, okay, there is a figure stick. Okay, this is a figure stick. Okay, let me show in this second figure sticks. This is my second figure stick. Okay, and if you want to put something between that figure stick, if you want to put some elements between that figure stick, like if you want to insert like mobile figure stick or whatever, like search for mobile figure sticks. Okay, mobile stick figure. Okay, search for mobile stick figure. Okay, we have this one, so let me search more. Okay, so we don't have option more, like let me search for dollar. Okay, so we have this figure sticks, so let me put this figure stick, just select that, click on that, it will be put here. Now you have to just drag at bottom. Okay, don't put at this line, just drag at the bottom of this figure stick. Now you can decrease the size. Okay, this is timeline, you can decrease the timeline like this. Okay, if you want to put this element between this part you can put here. Now select that elements. Okay, okay, we have this element. Now you can change this, place the size, change the size or place. You can also give the animations like this. Okay, now let me play the full animations. We can see this animation has been done. Okay, so that is how you can create figure stick animation properly and professionally. After that you need to manage your audio size and that figure stick size properly. Check the backgrounds, cover all frame. Okay, like this. After that go to the share, download as a mp4 and adjust the quality and download it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.